Okay, today we see about the analysis of Amazon stocks. We place the high and next we mark the lower. Next we go to the weekly time frame. You can see this current situation's uptrend. Uh, next to mark the higher and lower, current higher and lower. We can also verify this is uptrend by to break of structure is here. Okay, next to mark the lower. Next to mark the higher. Okay, next to go to day time frame. You can also see this this is currently uptrend. Also we verify this break of structure is happened here for downtrend. Next we also see currently is uptrend. So to verify this uptrend, to satisfy the break of structure is happened or not, so we have go to next 1 hour time frame. So number of gaps of that, so I don't see this where is candles or not, so sorry for candlesticks. Next to mark this break of structure, so it's confirmed as a current uptrend. Next go to next time frame of lower time frame is 15 minutes. So before that we mark this lower. Okay, we step to this 15 minutes time frame. You can see this is also current as a uptrend, so mark lower and mark the higher. So we can see this it's almost reached this higher to a big structure is could be happen. So just adjust this screen size for me, sorry for disturbance. Next go to the 1 week time frame. You can see is this is also a current uptrend. This market obviously uptrend only. You can choose the buy signal. Probably it's a good things to choice decision of buy. So we mark this lower. We have higher already is a key point. So just go inside deeply in what's inside this, zoom it, and you can see this currently is also previous high to touch it. So its retracement is already as almost 50 to 60 percentage, 0.5 to 0.618. So you can see the key point is touched, it's verified. Next we have go to order block to mark the entry point. You can see this is the higher momentum is happen to break of structure. So when the market goes to this key point order block, we have to enter the buy side because of the markets always go to the buy side. I think this is the good choice to buy. So place these stop loss below this order block, and first target is we have to choose this higher. So this is the analysis for the Amazon. We have what happened in next videos. We have to see is target hit or not. I will post this short